Do you think you know your Samsung Galaxy inside out? Stick around because I'm about to crack secret codes that unlock hidden features on any Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's jump right into it. Secret code 1. Test device hardware, just a magical code. The first thing you need to do is open up the dialer. Now type *#0*#. This is a secret code to test your Samsung phone's hardware like touch, vibration, speaker, graphics, and many more. Secret code 2. Check your phone model. Again, open up the dialer. Type *#1234#. Here you can check your phone version and model number. Now move on to the next hidden code. Secret code 3. Check service mode. Open up the dialer and type *1111# or *2222#. With this secret code, you can check your phone's service mode. Secret code 4. Check the main version. Again, open the dialer and enter *12580*369#. This is a secret code to check your device's main version. Secret code 5. Use a modem. Go to the dialer again. Type *0808#. You can change USB settings from here like MTP, PTP, or RNDIS plus DM plus modem. That's it for today, everyone. Drop a comment below and tell me which secret code or hack blew your mind the most. And if you want more amazing tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out.